Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with more than 48 collection of harmonious and modern wooden modular kitchen furniture and 7 tips choosing the best modern wooden kitchen furniture for your lovely kitchen. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. So, you have decided to overhaul your traditional kitchen and turn it into a spanking new wooden modular kitchen you can show off. Great idea! As with every remodeling assignment, this one too comes with its share of challenges, decisions, and choices. But a little bit of research and planning can go a long way in ensuring that the beautiful wooden furniture and accessories you lovingly assemble take shape and truly transform the way your home looks. Since a modular kitchen makes exceptional use of space alongside superb design and achieving great efficiency, the furniture that is used in it has to be suitably chosen to fulfilling these requirements. Essential wooden modular kitchen furniture can include kitchen cabinets, center table, racks and shelves, worktops, a table and chairs for the family, or even the right kind of kitchen shutters which allow the maximum sunlight. Here are a few tips for choosing and buying the perfect set of wooden kitchen furniture for your individual taste and style. 1. Measure kitchen space. All the wooden furniture that you'd be using would have to be accommodated in the available space, so it's a good idea to have exact measurements of space, including vertical space. This is a good starting point to determine exact numbers and capacity. 2. Study different types of wood. There's a large variety of wood that can be used for your kitchen furniture. The commonly used ones are solid wood, plywood, MDF, and particle board. It's a fact that solid wood, though the most expensive of the lot, is also considered timeless and classic, but medium-density fiberboard is also a good middle option in terms of sturdiness and cost-effectiveness. 3. Consider wooden shelving units. Wall-mounted multiple shelving units are a very smart technique used in many modular kitchens these days. Consisting mostly of several cube-shaped wooden shelves, such a unit can act as both a storage area as well as a display corner for your exotic condiments, if you so wish. 4. Add some color. There are many options to paint your clever, space-saving kitchen cabinets. While choosing the perfect set of cabinets, keep in mind not just efficient functionality, but also a dash of color to the cabinetry. Some woods, like smooth brown teak, do well on their own because of the shine, while others can lend themselves well to some bright colors in the kitchen. 5. Contrast colors for table and chairs. Many modular kitchens are designed such that they can now accommodate a table and chairs for the family to gather around and grab a quick bite. Solid wood such as oak or cherry can be a great option for these, as it is long-lasting and elegant. 6. Consider freestanding wooden pieces. For a relatively smaller kitchen, space saving can be achieved by choosing individual wooden furniture for holding appliances. 7. Choose kitchen shutters with due deliberation. Unlike drapes or curtains, wooden shutters are a great addition to a kitchen as they absorb no odors or stains. They can be styled according to the windows, or even for sliding tracks, and can be painted or left in natural wood finish if so desired. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.